Fold a memory in a square, cut the edges if you dare. Every crease a secret made, paper dreams that never fade. Scissors dance and colors play, patterns hide where whispers stay. Glue the hopes and fears we hold, craft a story yet untold. Paper dreams come alive tonight, tiny worlds in candlelight. Castles built from folded sheets, imagination never sleeps. Stars and cranes in flight we send, in the folds where words pretend. Magic castles tall and grand, made by just a loving hand. Hold the paper, touch the sky, chasing dreams that never die. In the folds a story grows, crafted with the highs and lows. Paper dreams come alive tonight, tiny worlds in candlelight. Castles built from folded sheets, imagination never sleeps. Paper dreams come alive tonight, tiny worlds in candlelight. Castles built from folded sheets, imagination never sleeps. Paper birds take flight tonight, folding dreams till morning light. Cranes and stars in shadow glow, whisper secrets we'll never know. In my room with paper planes, chasing after soft refrains. Simple folds and magic ink, we become what we can't think. Fold away the fears and doubts, paper wings can lift us out. Every crease a hidden tale, origami heart won't fail. Shapes and figures on the floor, paper worlds like none before. Graceful swans and dragons burn in the flame we always yearn. Lost in cuts and paper scars, origami under stars. Fingers dance with nimble grace, find our dreams in every place. Fold away the fears and doubts, paper wings can lift us out.